This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is AP Physics, Homework 2.3, question number 6. It says, a babysitter pushing a stroller starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at a rate of 0.721 meters per second squared. What is the velocity of the stroller after it has traveled 7.32 meters? In this case, I'm going to have to first identify some variables. A babysitter pushing a stroller starts from rest. Well, starts from rest, that's giving me my initial velocity. That's telling me that my initial velocity is 0 meters per second. And accelerates uniformly at a rate of 0.721 meters per second squared. So my acceleration is 0.721 meters per second squared. What is the velocity of the stroller? So what I'm looking for is some final velocity after it has traveled 7.32 meters. Well, that's a displacement of 7.32 meters. So I'm given a velocity, a final velocity, an acceleration, a displacement. What is the equation that relates these four but leaves out time? If I look at my four equations of motion for constant acceleration, I will see that the equation that leaves out time is that my final velocity squared equals my initial velocity squared plus twice my acceleration times my displacement. So I'm looking for a final velocity. That's good. That's over here all by itself. So my final velocity squared equals my initial velocity squared. Well, that's 0 squared. That's easy. That's going to go away. Plus twice my acceleration, 0.721, times my displacement of 7.32 meters. So when I do this, and I take the velocity, let me square root both sides, I'm going to wind up with a final velocity, and this is just math. So that's going to give me a final velocity. And that's question number 6.